Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title: Building a Web Application with Python Flask and sqlalchemy, a step-by-step tutorial. Introduction. Python Flask is a lightweight and powerful web framework, and sqlalchemy is a widely used object relational mapping (ORM) library that allows developers to interact with relational databases using Python. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to create a simple web application using Flask and sqlalchemy. We'll cover setting up the project, defining models, creating routes, and performing basic CRUD, create, read, update, delete, operations on a database. Prerequisites. Before you begin, make sure you have the following installed. Step 1. Project Setup. Create a new directory for your project and navigate to it in the terminal. Create a virtual environment to isolate project dependencies. Activate the virtual environment. Step 2. Install dependencies. Install Flask and sqlalchemy in your virtual environment. Step 3. Define models. Create a file named models.py to define your database models. Step 4. Initialize Flask app and configure sqlalchemy. Create a file named app.py to set up your Flask app and configure sqlalchemy. Step 5. Create HTML templates. Create a folder named Templates in your project directory. Inside the Templates folder, create a file named index.html. Step 6. Run the application. Back in the terminal, run your Flask application. Visit http://127.0.0.1:5000/ in your browser to see the list of users. Conclusion. Congratulations! You've created a simple web application using Python Flask and sqlalchemy. This tutorial covered setting up the project, defining models, configuring the database, and displaying data in a template. Feel free to expand upon this foundation by adding more features, handling forms, and exploring advanced sqlalchemy functionality for a richer web application.